everyone, welcome to my scrapbooking corner, and I'm here with another layout. I haven't done one, put up a video in a while, so I usually wait till I have about 5 layouts and then I upload them and whatnot. Oh, doom. Sorry, just got up. Still drinking my first cup of coffee. Anyway, so I need to get these uploaded. So this is the first layout I'm doing, the January 2021 kit. And the background here is Hip Kit Club's Dream Big Over the Rainbow. This is a picture my husband took of a double rainbow when him and Mateo were, I think they were doing grocery run. Usually they'd go off on Sunday and do groceries, and then I can do my house cleaning and not have to clean around them. I have several rainbow pictures that I took after we moved into the house that we purchased, which is hard to believe that will be, we moved a year. We closed June 11th, so in 3 days, that's when we closed on the house, and then we packed. My husband came home with the truck on June 12th, which was the Friday, and then we loaded the truck, and then we moved our first load Saturday morning at like 4 a.m. because we were so excited we couldn't sleep. So, and we had to set up the bed. So I want to say, yeah, we moved pretty much a lot of stuff. It was our first night in the house too. But anyway, so my photo mat is Hip Kit Club's Dream Big, Dare to Dream. And the floral die cuts are Hip Kit Club's Dream Big. Pretty much everything in this is Dream Big. The florals, the wood veneer. Oh, that is. I was like, is that on my screen? Because I could see a bug flying around. Oh, that is funny. I thought maybe it was on my computer screen. Just sneezing. But anyway. Except for the bows. I used cloth bows, and those were left over from the Let's Stay Home. That was June 2020. It was Let's Stay Home because of the whole COVID thing. I was just trying to see what else I could use. I found these stickers for this kit hard to use up. They just went in my stash. I never used very many of them. I had a little bit of paper left over, and those chipboard stickers, most of them, in both packets. I might pull them out when I do some layouts of my niece, because she likes unicorns and whatnot, so the unicorns will work well for her. And then once I get these die cuts down, I am going to put my title, which is Double Rainbow, which is what the picture says. That's funny, I'm using the same cup for my coffee too. I have 2 cups. One with blue, but it's now just white because all the blue paint, I guess, washed off. And then I have one that says something about teaching. I think it's "You're the best teacher ever" or something like that. Or "Best teacher ever." And then I'm going to use enamel dots, which are just from leftover from variety of kids, not just a specific month. And I'm trying to use up, I have sheets that are half used, and so I'm trying to use up the ones I've sort of used. And then here's the bows I'm going to use. Apologize for that noise. That's a notification that the litter box ran. I have a litter robot and I love it. They're a bit expensive. I really need to get another one. Sorry. I'm just going to put down my title. And once I get my title down, that is pretty much going to end the layout. So I'll be back when I have more. Thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.